They say the hamburger was invented by Charlie, or maybe Louis.
Nobody really knows for sure,
but we do know a guy named Jimmy took that burger straight to paradise.
And today Buzz Cooks is showing you the way they burger up in the land of Godzilla. That's right,
The viral Japanese cheeseburger. Buzz Cooks.
like, share, subscribe.
New videos every Sunday and Wednesday.
Don't miss out.
First things first.
Cook your favorite burger your way. That's right, make it how you like.
Alrighty, you ready to start cooking? We're going to do this Japanese viral cheeseburger. First, we got our pan out, a little butter. Toast up those buns. I'm just going to throw in some patties that I had in the freezer. No need to grind up for this because the star of this show is the cheese sauce that these burgers are going into. So I'll season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And while those are cooking, I'm going to get a little gherkins out and slice up some pickles to go on top of this burger. I've already made a couple slices of bacon. I've got those on the side, ready to go. So we'll flip these over, and then we'll hit the other side with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then after that, we're going to lay down our bacon and one slice of American cheese on each. So while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family all about the show. Really appreciate you all very much. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a show out every Wednesday and Sunday. And hit that bell to stay up to date. Alright, so let's get that cheese on. And we'll let this go for a couple of more minutes. Get that cheese to start to melt. Then we're just going to put one right on top of the other. That's right, we're doing a double cheeseburger with bacon. And we'll set that aside, let that rest. Now we got our saucepan out. We got 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're just going to get our whisk and cook that flour down a little bit. You always have to cook the flour, otherwise your sauce will taste like flour. And we're looking that perfect. So once we do this, let this cook for a minute or two. We're going to add about 1.5 cups of milk, or 1.5 cups, whatever you have available. And we'll whisk out those clumps there so everything's nice and smooth. Got the heat on medium high. And as this starts to thicken, we'll have to add a little bit more. And then we're going to add our favorite cheese. I'm using a combination of Jack and cheddar. You can use whatever you like. Remember, it's your recipe. I'm just showing you the blueprints. So that's nice, and thickness is just right. So we're going to put our cheese in now, about 1/2 cup. And then whisk that in there. And that'll melt down, and you're going to have a beautiful cheese sauce for this viral Japanese cheeseburger that's just blowing up all over the internet. So once we get this all mixed in, we'll turn it down to low, let it just simmer while we assemble our hamburger. Because remember, we put that meat to the side to rest. So we'll take that burger and we'll put it on the bun. We'll add our pickles, cut it in half. Then we'll take some of this cheese sauce, we'll put it right on the plate, and then we'll set the burger halves right in the middle of that cheese sauce. And that's how they serve it up in Japan, and that's how we're serving it up here in Las Vegas today. Hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all very much. Hopefully you come back for more videos, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.
They say the hamburger was invented by Charlie, or maybe Louis.
Nobody really knows for sure.
But we do know a guy named Jimmy took that burger straight to paradise.
And today Buzz Cooks is showing you the way they burger up in the land of Godzilla, that's right.
The viral Japanese cheeseburger. Buzz Cooks.
Like, share, subscribe.
New videos every Sunday and Wednesday.
Don't miss out.
First things first.
Cook your favorite burger your way, that's right. Make it how you